Add me like and you will be my hero. Welcome you at the part 3 of the video. In this video I'm gonna extruding most of the time. I'm just wanna say congratulations because you make it so far to part 3 of the video. And it is Retopology. I was extremely scared from retopology, but really it's the easiest part of the whole process. It's just to keep quad shape everywhere. I have mistake before adding UV sphere because I have to turn off snapping and I have to move the cursor to the word origin. I'm gonna add UV sphere. I'm gonna add mirror modifier and scale it and rotate it on Z axis so it's look like. So in this video I'm mostly extruding. Then I will add mirror, but I will enter edit mode. Then here the most important is to have or to keep the quad shapes. If you see, the point with the topology, the point with the topology is to always have quad shapes. And here I'm gonna dissolve edges so I could have quad shape. I click in each, I extrude the vertices and I click on each vertices. I click GG, double G. That's just to snap the vertex on the shape, on the surface of the sculpting. In this way, the UV sphere will take the same shape of the sculpting. And I will continue building and do my best keeping the quad shapes as possible. And I will connect, I will connect it. If you see here we have two connections. This is too important, and it's not important but it's easier for you to work. This is the easiest way to have the shape. I mean, if you think of it, this is the easiest way to have the right shape, or to have the right way of the shape. So, and you always can subdivide, so you can, I just add few faces and I will subdivide it in a feature in later. So I will add some faces and I will subdivide it later. This video took me too long to do it because I always came back from work very tired. So but I always do my best to finish up this video. If you wanna watch it, I really suggest you to watch. This is part 3 of the video, so I really suggest you, if you wanna know more about topology, it's best if you watch part 2. And if you're interested on sculpting, you can watch part 1. So part 2 is to preparation for topology. So in this part 3 is, in part 3 it's just mostly extruding the vertices, faces or whatever. So it just, I'm clicking GG, double click on GG just to snap the vertices on the surface to have the shape. But to be just before extruding anything, just be sure to turn off snapping, because I often forget it. And now when I'm done with the upper part of the body of the lady, I set it X-ray, and before I extrude it, I realized I have to turn off snapping. So look how much, and I press G just to snap the vertices on a surface, and I'm gonna continue extruding and connect the mid vertices, and I'm gonna start step by step, one by one. So I'm gonna extrude the vertices besides the vertices in the middle, and so it's not much as extruding. I'm gonna add a circle with 8 edges or 8 vertices, and I will connect them to, I'm gonna connect the vertices together. And as you noticed, I always have 8 8, so 8 vertices here and 8 vertices up, and I snap the vertices to the surface. I'm gonna make 8 vertices here also, and you add cut when you need it, and it's look awesome now. This this operation took me almost 3 hours to do it, but I speed it up because it's really take you too much time. So try your best to be patient and do it slowly as you can, and if you feel tired, just close the close blender, take a rest, do something, drink some water, drink a coffee, a cup of coffee, and come back later when you feel comfortable. Usually it's took me about like an hour every day to do it. So this whole I didn't this whole retopology doesn't took me like it's not that fast. I took too much time to do it, so I took almost a week to do it. So I do one part today in one day, and then when I felt tired, I close the I close Blender, and I do it again the next day. So, but the really important here how to connect the legs with the body. So if you see this shape here, I turn off the mirror, so it's easier for me to see the connection between half body. I didn't turn on smooth shading yet, but it's gonna be awesome after I add smooth shading. Here I try to fix the the connection problem because, and I've done it. I'm planning to make more tutorials in the future. So this tutorial is not the last one. I already I already done the I already done, as you see in the corner, I already done the character, but it's take me time to edit it, so that's why it takes some time. I really like if you support my channel, like subscribe or add me like or share my content. This is really support me a lot. I really appreciate it. You're so kind. So if you see, I just continue here. I didn't continue it before because I was tired. So as I told you, quad is the most important thing to consider when you make retopology. So do your best to have to keep the quad um, running in the shape. So the same thing here on with the arm. I will continue the neck but not the body, but sorry, not the face or the head, because it's gonna be separate tutorial. And here if you see star connection, just do whatever you want, but keep the quad shape is the most important point. So you can do it in different ways. I'm trying to keep the vertices, number of vertices the same. So thank you for watching, and please add me like and share my content. This has helped me a lot. And see you next part. Goodbye. No goodbye. No goodbye. No goodbye.